Hey, hi. All right, here's a bird. Yeah, she's jamming it now, following my hand, right? Okay, anyhow, this is Gypsy. Hey, pretty girl. Ooh, and then the cage behind her. Angel. Angel's scared of the camera. Alrighty. Here's a visiting bird, Pepper. She's visiting with me now. Hey, Pepper, where you at? There she is. Hey, Pepper. I'm not letting the little ones out while the big ones are out, so. Okay, all right, there she is. Doing her fine. All right, what do we got over here? Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey, what you doing? What you doing, sweetie? I love you. Let's see, we've got pictures on the wall, and look, more parrot puppets. Parrot puppets. Ooh. And who do we have here? Hi. Hi. Man, that's hot. Ooh, 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 ooh. You can talk to me, come on. Kiki? Yes, you are. Ooh, she's pretty. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hi. Not in the mood to talk a lot. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, one more bird. He's visiting. He's, well, he plucks himself a little bit. There he is. That's Jaarad. Jaarad's a sweetie. I love you, baby. I love you.